Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we break down the best trading strategies to help you master the markets. In this video, we're just going to be diving into one of the most powerful indicators for swing trading, and that is the MACD. All right, I'm going to add the MACD to the chart right away. Now, if you've ever wondered how to use MACD to time your trades, spot trend reversals, and make better decisions in the market, this video is for you. All right, let me just quickly let me make this more visible so that it can be easily seen, easily identified. Let me make it more visible. Um, okay, I think it's more visible now. All right. So if you've wondered how to use MACD before effectively to make better decisions in the market, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use the MACD for swing trading, step by step with examples. Okay, so if you are ready to take your trading to the next level, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's just get started real quick. Now, before we jump into the strategy, let's quickly break down what the MACD is. The MACD is short for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It is a momentum indicator that helps traders identify trend strengths, potential reversals, and trade entry or exit points. It actually consists of three components. It consists of the MACD line, which is the difference between two moving averages, which is usually the 12 period and 26 period EMA. Secondly, it consists of the signal line, which is a 9 period EMA of the MACD line used to generate buy and sell signals. And then finally, it consists of the histogram, which are the bars that show the difference between between the MACD and signal line. Okay, a growing histogram means increasing momentum, while a shrinking histogram means a slowdown. Now, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal, and when it crosses below, it's a bearish signal. But to use it effectively for swing trading, we need to apply the right strategy. Okay, so the standard MACD settings are 12, 26, 9, as you can see here. But for swing trading, many traders prefer to tweak these settings for better accuracy. You can actually use 8, 17, 9 for a more responsive MACD. It's actually great for catching early signals. All right, you can see the difference. If you want it to be more responsive, you can use the settings as follows: 8 for a fast EMA, 17 for slow EMA, and 9 for MACD SMA. But if you want a slow setting, you can use 21, 55, 21 for fast EMA, 55 for slow EMA, and 9 for the MACD SMA. These settings filter out noise. As you can see how it's smoothing out the MACD. This setting filters out noise and is better for bigger trends. All right, it is better for bigger trends. Now, if you are new to MACD, you can start with the standard settings. Actually, you can start with the default. Right, you can actually start with the default settings. Okay, but then you can adjust the settings based on your trading style and market conditions as you gain more experience. Now, let's just go through a step-by-step strategy to use MACD for swing trading. First of all, you should identify the trend. All right, start in a higher time frame like the 4 hour. As you can see, I'm on the 4 hour chart right now, or you can start with the daily time frame, and then you look at the MACD's position. If the MACD line is above 0, all right, it signals an uptrend. But if it is below 0, it signals a downtrend. So right now, it means that we are still in an uptrend. Okay, it means that we are in an uptrend as the MACD line is above 0. Then you have to wait for a crossover. Okay, a bullish crossover happens when the MACD line crosses above the signal line. Okay, so it indicates a buying opportunity. A bearish crossover happens when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, and that signals a potential short trade. Check your histogram bars. Okay, check them because they are very important also. Your histogram should be expanding, right? As you can see, signaling bullish momentum. You can see that these histogram bars were getting longer. They are increasing in length. Okay, but if the histogram bars are shrinking, momentum is weakening and it's best to wait, like what is happening around here now. Then you have to confirm with price action. Do not rely on MACD alone. Okay, look for support and resistance levels. It is necessary. All right, look for support and resistance levels. Look for candlestick patterns or other indicators like moving averages to confirm your trade. Okay, to confirm your trade. And then once you have successfully gotten a confirmation and you enter a buy trade or a sell trade, just set your stop loss accordingly. You can set your stop loss below recent support for a buy trade. All right, and for a sell trade, you can set your stop loss just above the recent resistance. Okay, aim for at least a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. All right, now before you jump into trading with MACD, here are some common mistakes to avoid. The first is taking every crossover. Not every crossover is a strong signal. So always check the trend and momentum before entering a trade. All right. Secondly, do not ignore the histogram. Okay, the histogram shows momentum strength. If it is weak, even a crossover may not lead to a strong move. All right. And then another mistake to avoid is trading against the trend. MACD works best when used in the direction of the trend. Okay, so trying to predict reversals can be risky. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll use MACD more effectively and increase your chances of better trade setups. All right, so there you have it. It's a complete breakdown of how to use MACD for swing trading. This indicator is quite an effective indicator when used correctly, helping you time your trades better and ride strong market trends. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button so more traders can discover this strategy. Okay, and if you're new here, subscribe now for more trading insights and step-by-step breakdowns. Also, drop a comment below. Do you use MACD in your trading? What settings work best for you? Let's discuss in the comments. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.